Now, with any luck at all, this is about take 17 of whatever seat or whatever if you're in the movies. I keep redoing this. We're here at Norfolk International Airport. Of course, all sorts of things going on. The jet will start up, the fuel truck will come behind me, the wind will get up. I hope you can hear me this time. Anyway, this little video is trying to sell Cessna 10689er. Cessna 10689er is a Cessna 150L 1974 model. Take a look at my two Win-Tec collision lights. I like those. You can't make yourself too visible if you're in a little airplane. Yeah. Okay, let's walk around a little more. Get a view of everything. Oh, let's see. It does, by the way, come with wheel pants. I prefer to fly without pants myself. That doesn't sound quite right. I mean, without wheel pants. I keep my own pants on, of course. Our propeller engine is the original. The engine's been overhauled 2 times, and I've got the details of the last overhaul. I put those in photographs of the logs that I attached. Just have a look all around here. And 150 is a very nice, nimble, handy little airplane to fly. I've enjoyed it a lot. If you're looking to buy it, perhaps you have flown a 150 to find like what money you're from. Its maintenance cost is less. Its fuel cost is quite a bit less. The range, let's see, it's 3.5 hours worth of gas, and I prefer to fly about 2.5 hours because that's about how much my rear end can stand before I want to get out, stretch my legs, you know, have a snack or something. Okay, let's take a look inside. Here's our control panel. I tried to have it in good condition. I've got 2 navcoms, KX1335, so pretty good. They're both glide slope. You can do an ILS landing in this little gal. And my rose and sunshades, and I put them in a long time ago, and I think that makes things much better. Now, that's about it for what I can tell you about little 10689er. If you have any questions at all, I hope you text me or email me or call me or something like that. I'll share any information I've got. Good little airplane. I hope somebody finds her who really likes it. See you later. Bye-bye.